Dear students, we continue with question number 6 of exercise 2.5. We left in between this because of some recording problems or space issue. Now that is sorted out and we continue now. Question number 6. Alpha, beta are roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. And we have to find alpha square plus beta square. This is first part. Second part we want alpha cube plus beta cube. We solve. So solution. Given equation. This one, y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to y square coefficient 1. B is equal to y coefficient minus 2. And C is equal to minus constant. Here constant minus 7. Therefore, sum of roots alpha and beta are roots. Therefore, sum of roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a, minus b is minus 2 upon a is 1, minus into minus plus 2, alpha plus beta. Alpha into beta, c by a, c minus 7 by a, 1 minus 7. Therefore, alpha plus beta is 2. We can use it. And alpha into beta is minus 7. This also we can use wherever required. Now, we have a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This exponent see a square plus b square plus 2ab. That plus 2ab minus 2ab cancels a square plus b square. That only here we have. Therefore, our required part alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is 2. The square minus 2 into alpha into beta minus 7. Here 2 square 4 minus into minus plus 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. This is alpha square plus beta square. Here you have to remember this formula. A plus b whole square minus 2ab equal to a square plus b square. One more formula you have to remember for this one. Also, we know what we know. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. We know only a plus b like and ab like. Alpha plus beta we know, summation we know, product also we know. Therefore, we write this formula. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube equal to what? Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha into beta into alpha plus beta. Here the formula you have to remember is this. Alpha plus beta we have 2. The whole cube minus 3 into alpha into beta minus 7 into alpha plus beta 2. 2 cube is 8, minus into minus plus 3 sevens are 21. The 21 twos are 42. 42 plus 8. 8 plus 42, 50. It is 50. So it is alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50. Therefore, concluding part, answer. Alpha square plus beta square is 18. And alpha cube plus beta cube is 50. This is the final answer. This is question number 6. Question number 6, we have to find out alpha square plus beta square. We have 18. And alpha cube plus beta cube, we have 50. Here we should remember these two formulae. This is question number 6 of exercise 2.5 of quadratic equation. Now we go for question number 7. Question number 7. Question says like this. The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. What is given? Roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal means what? Delta. Discriminant b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Only that much you have to remember. Then find value of k. We do question number 1 first. Both questions we do here because it is slightly difficult. Given equation. What is given equation? 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Comparing with general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is value of a? The quadratic term coefficient 3. What is constant coefficient of x? That is here k. And what is value of c? 12. Now we see directly. Since roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Real and equal. What happens? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Therefore, b square k square minus 4 into a is 3 into c 12 equal to 0. Therefore, k square minus 4 3s are 12. 12 into 12, 12 square equal to 0. We go for factorization method of solving this. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b equal to 0 form. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. The product of two terms 0 means what? Either the first is 0 or the second factor is 0. If first factor is 0, k equal to plus 12 goes there, minus 12. Or k equal to minus 12 goes that side as plus 12. This is a solution. K equal to minus 12 or k equal to plus 12. This k value may be plus 12 or minus 12. This is question number 1 of question number 7. Second question also we do now. This is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, kx into x is kx square minus 2 into kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing with the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a is k, b is minus 2k, c is 6. Here also roots are real and equal. Therefore, what happens? Discriminant b square minus 4a is equal to 0. B is minus 2k. The square minus 4 into a is k into c is 6. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Minus 2 square is plus 4 into k square minus this 4 into 6k equal to 0. Why we are keeping 4 like this? Because we can take common factor out. Therefore 4 into k square minus 6k equal to 0. We continue here now. A into b is 0 means either first is 0, second is 0. First is 0 means k is 0. 4 is 0, not possible. Therefore, k square minus 6k is 0. Now also k we can take common factor out. So k into common factor out, then k minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, either the first term is 0 or second term k minus 6 equal to 0. Here this equation k cannot be equal to 0. If k is 0, 0 and anything 0 plus 6 is 0. Meaningless equation or question. Question will be meaningless if k is equal to 0. So k is not 0. Therefore, k equal to 6. Therefore, value of k equal to 6. So that the given equation is having equal roots. Real and equal roots. Value of k is equal to 6. This is question number 7-2. With this question number 7, exercise 2.5 of quadratic equation gets over. It is over. With that 2.5 exercise gets over. Now, one student is having a doubt with this equation. X minus 1 the square equal to 2x plus 3. This is of the exercise 2.1. This is of 2.1 exercise 2.1 question number 3 sub question number 2. This is question number 2.1. Main question 3 sub question 2, which is x minus 1 the square equal to 2x plus 3. This we expand. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab minus 2 into x into 1 minus 2x only plus b square equal to 2x plus 3. Therefore x square minus 2x plus 2x comes here minus 2x plus 1 plus 3 comes to left hand side is minus 3 equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 equal to 0. This is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, value of a is what? X square coefficient 1. Value of x coefficient is minus 4. And c is constant term minus 2. This much only. It's an easy question. Exercise 2.1 main question 3 sub question number 2. So main question 3 sub question number 2. This is a question. This way we have to work out. Similarly, if any other people, any other student is having doubt in whatever we work out, the other alternate problems, you may put into the question. You can ask in the WhatsApp and we will work it out in the very next day itself. Once we get the question, the very next day itself we work it out and clear your doubts. And all of you, please sincerely try so that all the problems are familiar to you, and the very next week we can go for a test so that we can check whether you understood the basic concepts very clearly or not. Okay, all of you do practice. We'll continue with the next one next week in the next video.